We have to just ignore it, and sometimes it gets worse with or without medication. That's why some alternative methods of healing are rising in popularity. News Center 13's Christine Mangi reports on the art of alternative healing.
In Western society, the common answer to pain is to pop a pill. From backaches to toothaches to headaches, you'll find relief in the aisles of your local drugstore. But the pills don't always do what they promise.
What's happened is over a period of years, antibiotics have been abused. We've developed a new culture of society that uses antibiotics as an excuse.
Bergstrom says too often people turn to pills and prescriptions for their pain, and the only result is on the pocketbook. He says that's why they're increasingly turning to the art of alternative healing.
People are sick of being sick, and they don't want to be poisoned anymore. So they're looking for other ways to get better. And non-invasive techniques are very appealing to people.
Those techniques are being put to practice at Bergstrom's new school in Menominee, where he teaches the healing art of amatherapy. He says it's one of the few centers in the country to offer the technique.
And then what you're doing is you're doing a manipulative therapy and following the channel throughout the body.
Like acupuncture, Amma tries to manipulate and balance energy in the body. But instead of needles, Amma uses the strength of hands. Bergstrom says the practice has been proven to have profound effects on alleviating pain.
Usually, the first treatment, you see a result right away. Doesn't mean that anybody's cured or anything like that, but you can feel a difference.
Skeptical? Doctors actually agree that alternative methods can work.
Many times we can't find a source for a person's back pain. And in these cases, I think their alternative methods are certainly appropriate.
And while many doctors approve of alternative healing methods, they say the practice comes with its own set of warning labels.
I think it's best done with the guidance of a physician, because it depends a lot on a patient's particular problem. And so just randomly trying things isn't always in their best interests.
Bergstrom agrees and goes even further by saying alternative methods should complement Western practices, not replace them.
This type of method is supposed to be for before the problem gets very bad. It's supposed to be before Western medicine has to step in for emergency procedures. That's where it's good that we have drugs and doctors and surgery.
Just as important as relieving the problem of pain is preventing and managing it. One way to do that is through the martial arts. While the arts are not a required aspect of Amma, Bergstrom says the therapy is most effective when you combine the two. So I suited up to see for myself. Some techniques were a test of physical strength. Others, like the more tranquil Tai Chi, were a test of concentration. All were a challenge. One student says the arts not only enhance the Amma, but other aspects of life.
Balance, agility, and mental toughness is involved in this, and I feel it does help out with football.
While Amma is helping some people heal, it is one of many alternative therapies out there. So make sure to investigate your options. Think of it like choosing a doctor, because you should have no reservations when your health is in another's hands. For Compass, with Bill Middicky in Menominee, Christine Mangi, News Center 13.
A local printing company is